Fifth one, Panchayat institutions function under the principles of. Which are the Panchayat institutions? 3 Panchayats: Gram Panchayat, Taluk Panchayat, and Zilla Panchayat. So they work on which system? Option A, socialist, Samajika. Option B, democracy, Prajaprabhutva. Option C, autocratic, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರ. Option D, monarchy. ಸೊ ಇದಿಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಯಾವುದು? ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ರಾಜ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯು ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವಲಂಬಿಸಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ democratic system. So option B, democracy, is the correct answer, right? You elect the president of the Zilla Panchayat, Gram Panchayat, and Taluk Panchayat are elected by the people, right? So it is democratic system.